Hello my good people, hope you are all doing fine. In today's video, I'm doing my mini twist by reusing these hair extensions. These hair extensions are from my previous hair braids, from my previous twist. So I'm going to show you how to reuse them to make brand new braids. This is how I'm going to cut them because the previous twist was long, so I want them to be short. I'm going to cut them like this. Then I remarry them. Like this. I'm going to continue with the same process to make them short. Then I twist my hair with them. First, I'm going to spray my hair with water to make them soft and straight. Sorry, my hair is not straight. That's why I'm spraying it with water. I like them to be so natural like this. Then after that, I'm going to apply my shea butter. I really love shea butter. It makes my hair soft. And it does not break my hair. Look how straight my hair is after applying water and shea butter. The reason of doing this video is that most or some of the people doesn't know that you can reuse the hair extension on braids, or you can reuse most of the kinky hair extensions and your hair will look nice. It will look like you had used brand new hair extensions. The hair extensions on braid is like that wig of yours that you remove and reuse it for another day. And if you have braids and you want to reuse the hair extensions for another day, you should be careful when you are taking down the braids. You just take them down nicely and wash them with warm water and hair conditioner to make them soft and fresh. Imagine not all people can afford to buy new hair extensions every day. That's why I decided to do this video, to help that girl or ladies who cannot afford to buy hair extension to make their hair look nice like others. Hope this video is so helpful. You can share it to that lady, that girl, or anyone to help them. I remember going to a certain salon, and the salonist requested me to just give them time to remove or to take down my braids safely because they don't want to cut them in order for them to reuse the hair extensions. Let me tell you, I was really surprised when they reused the braids. The braids were really nice. You could think that they used the brand new hair braids. You can already see my mini twists the way they are. Hope you are liking them.